Hello. In this brief video, we will be focusing on stacking. When we stack pages, they're displayed one atop the other in a continuously scrolling vertical feed. Stacking can be limited to a single set or be done for an entire site. Now, let's stack a set. A set is a collection or folder of pages. Here, we're moving some of our pages into a set named Home Stack, right-clicking and choosing Home. When a set is set to Home, it will stack its pages automatically. We can also stack sets that aren't set to Home. Now, let's set our entire site to be stacked. In the Design tab, select Stack. We see the effect immediately. When we disable or reorder our pages, the changes are reflected in the stack. Stacking a set of pages is also a great way to add a blog or a news feed to a site. So there you have it, a brief introduction to stacking on Cargo. Thank you.